Okay, welcome back. It's Tuesday, the 13th of August, and this is, I guess, the Murphy's Law edition here. I took the tripod to the boat so that I'd stop doing the psychotic camera waving videos, and so here I am at my workshop at home working on an engine part, the little cover for the thermostat, and I don't have a tripod, so this is going to be difficult. So anyway, previously I said I would bring this part home and put it in a vise and clean it up. And what I'm going to try to do is get this clean enough so that I can repair it with epoxy. Temporary repair. I suppose I should just waltz down to the Volvo dealer and see if they can get me a new cover and give them the $100, but I'm going to try to fix this one while I'm at it. Got my wife's handy dandy little Dremel tool, which is probably my least favorite tool in the world, and the damn chuck is locked on this particular little grinding wheel. I want to be using this one or this one, which will, get in there better, but I'm going to see what I can do with this. And I don't think there's any intelligent way that I can really photograph this. What have we got in the viewfinder? We don't even have it in the viewfinder. Let me see if I can prop it up somehow using a fitting from an air compressor to try to prop the camera up enough so we can see the work, but it's not getting there. Try something better. Let's try this. So you still get the famous psychotic camera waving video no matter what. Probably not going to be able to see anything, and I don't know whether I'm going to be able to get in here very well or not, but we'll see what we can do. I think I should have done what I said and soaked this in acid first, because it smells like fish and it's dirty as hell. And other than that, I don't know whether it's accomplishing anything. I'm going to go see if I can get a mask. Anyway, I got a work sweatshirt to put on because this is going to be dirty. And I think we're going to get stopped here while I try to get the smaller grinding wheel in there, because I can't really even get in there properly because of the size and shape of this wheel. I can see that this tube is utterly rotten. This is a filthy waste of time trying to do it this way. So this metal tube has just been compromised to the point where there's not going to be anything left of it, and we're better off cutting it out of there and putting a new tube in than trying to fix this. This is a piece of crap. So I don't know, we'll find out. So we're on to the second iteration of a plan here, because the first one clearly is a waste of time. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to take these couplings off. I'm going to get this cleaned up. I'm going to cut this out, and I think I'll get some kind of a tube and solder, epoxy, or press fitted in there, which will be far better than this ever could be.